Squaspa. Thank you, the organizers. And I want to thank you as well, the players. Because if you are not there, there's no people. I would like to thank you for the time that you have spent to come here. You had other things to do, but you took your time to come here, have some time here. You spent a nice day. I would like to ask God to bless the Squatter family, Gas family, and Jack Rams, who is not amidst us. But may God bless all of you. May you travel well. May you have nice time with your families. And may God bless you in everything, in all the endeavors that you would like to partake. Thank you. Let us pray. We thank you, dear Lord. You are amidst us. We saw it. You are a mighty God. We thank you for all the things you have done in our lives, especially this day that you have brought us here and what we have done, being able to participate. We'd like to thank you. We thank you for the families that we have left back home, for the families that are here, the Gas family and the Squaspa and the other coaches who are here. We thank you for the health so that we'll be able to play these games. If we are not healthy, we won't be able to play. May you protect us from all the problems of this life. We thank you, dear God. Take us back home, each one to his own home, well, fit and fine.